Whether you are a lifelong learner or a professional trying to upskill or a student trying to learn a new subject, AI Study Buddy is there to be on your side, to provide the necessary assistance to actually learn and not struggle. Organize your studies into topics for streamlined learning paths. Easily add learning resources for each topic. Upload documents, save web pages, or input your own notes directly into the app. Quickly grasp complex concepts with smart summaries that enhance your understanding without the clutter. Dive deeper with Cornell notes that systematically break down your resources into manageable cues and detailed notes. Stuck on a tough question? Chat with the content directly and get the answers you need instantly. Measure your progress with AI-generated tests tailored to test your knowledge, helping you identify areas for improvement. Ready to transform the way you learn? Sign up for AI Study Buddy today and take the first step towards smarter, more efficient studying.